I'm a computer science, so I worked before in a company as a software developer. So as a software developer, every day is deadline, every day is headache, stress. They're always knock you with your supervisor that tomorrow is deadline. And then the problem is uh, we're giving a lot of job every day, but what earning is the same. So yeah. Yeah. So okay, so I'm gonna discuss the compensation plan. Okay, Atomy is rewriting network marketing history. So yeah, I think every one of us is aware with multi-level marketing. Yeah. So as back 10 years ago, a lot of network company been, operating different country. Most of them, some, they get scam and, you know, the some distributor, they always have a quota or like you be a member, always you're gonna start with something and you don't have demand customers and it end with nothing and you're gonna back out and you're not gonna get success. So here in Atomy, but that's why they're saying it's rewriting because in Atomy it's very big change. It means like especially right now, new generation, we are in evolution of technology. Some of old way, they don't want to go with it, but we don't have option just to go with the new technology and learn. Or else we're gonna be on the side and they are earning and but we're gonna lose our job. That's a lot right now happening. All all um, profession, whether it's nurses, doctor, whatsoever. So right now, there's a lot of AI, so a lot of us is losing job. Unless you have a special skill that you're the only one, no, doesn't want the other doesn't know. So in Atomy, it's a lot of advantage. It's very simple. How to earn. I just have to, understand how to make money. So, um, so let me move on the next. Okay. So if you see here, we have a lot of country that already, we have atomy. It's called the global, global atomy. So, but because from me, I'm starting first on where I am. Like I'm here in LA. I have focused on my group first, and then when you expand your group, then you can expand it any country. So, each country has a different, how to join. So it will based on different countries. So you see here, there's a lot of, Canada, all in Asia. So there's a lot of advantage. You see the market? Is anyone any idea? Like customer, partners, we have a lot of advantages compared before the MLM. MLM before, you're gonna put up in one country and you're gonna be isolated in one country. You cannot invite from other country to be part of your partner, to be part of your business. But in Atomy, it's yeah. Once you you're have your group in one country, you can expand any country as ever you have cousin, friend. So the market is really big. So if you see yourself, you have only 10 group, 5 members, there's a lot. So some member I observed sometimes they the what you call this they lose their confidence because we have a lot of challenge that we encounter a lot of uh person that we want to invite and then uh they always say negative. So the way to we are the one to, influence them, not the negative to influence them, so that we can get exactly what we want. Okay, let me continue. Okay, consumption and, economic gain income. So you said that, on the cashback, a lot of us is, all of us is member of social, member of
Yes.
bonds. So what we are just getting is, points, but the only like, earnings, getting compensation is the company that we buy to. We don't have, we just have little of, you know, points. And it's not enough for us. Yeah. Like before, what they do, I hear see, they keep keeping coupons
Yes.
from collecting some magazine, get the coupon and it goes to grocery. Yeah. So that's how to save. But in Atomy, it's very different. We can get points and we can get commission. And the other thing is, we learn a lot of things. Not only how to earn money, and also how to take care of ourselves, our health. I always advise to all my friends. I have a lot of friends that they're earning a lot of money. They have good profession. They're engineer, architect, and they're investing first on different things, not on the health. So the point is, they're not investing on their health. So they have money, but they have a lot of illness. So that doesn't make sense. Money cannot make your life, I mean, your healthy. So that's why it's better to, precaution, prevention than cure. So, okay. So, consumer versus business. In Atomy, we have two kind of registration. Before, you're gonna be direct like as a distributor, but now we have an option. So, on the registration on the website, there's a lot of, step. There's difference between registration through consumer and business. So on consumer, if we register consumer, sometimes we invite some family or friends. They don't want to be, to do business, but they want to use the product. So yeah, we're gonna invite them to, because this business is like the only foundation of business to get more profit and revenue is to get more consumer. That's the backbone. And then next gonna be the business. Because once they already adopt the product, because that's the number one thing. In order to continue them to use the product and and cheers the the benefit of every product that we have, especially for health. So on the business side, so once they already if they want to make extra income and they see the advantage of the product, and they can start to learn how to make money. So who gonna be consumer only? Who gonna be like to be to make money? You want to be only consumer, like what we do in Costco, Bones. At the end, we don't have earn. You just expend. There's no return. So it's good to be a business while doing your job. Uh, you know, using the product, and likewise, how we get more points. We get commission. Mm. Okay. So here, I think I already discussed this one. So this saying here, when I start buying a product to be a consumer, then we call this once they already adopt the we call this the product, then just like me, I start with so what's phone na gonna start? I think Himuhin. Yeah, because when you like the product, although you don't do business, I just like to choose the product.
You're a consumer.
Yeah, I will not forget to to keep using it,
Yes.
and then order from the from website. Then later on we will receive any commission. So and if I decide to be to be a to be earn money, then I'm gonna register. You can update your by the way, you can update your from consumer. You can update that to be a distributor. But likewise, there's a different personal information that you're gonna add to when you do the registration, unlike the consumer. Because on being a distributor, you have to put all your personal information like social security, so that you could receive commission. And also you could register your bank account. So when you get commission, it can automatically deposit. So, what's this? Um, all right. So, Atomy is binary. So, in Atomy, we just need uh, two downline, right and left. So, that's the only thing that we need. Two business partners. Then it will just keep growing your downline. You don't know of the very bottom. So, the good thing is here on Atomy is like other company, they ask registration fee, you have to pay the website fee. So there's a lot of expenses. But in Atomy, we don't have a subscription fee, no maintenance fee. Okay, so it's a very, it's very good company that what we have right now. So on binary, once you we call this on accumulate, on the small leg, if you reach 300,000, so because on left and right, what we need is just 3,000 left and right in order to make commission. Yeah. So that's only, will expire once they reach the 300,000. So once is, let's say that the left is 300, the other side is not yet reached 300. It will stay there until they reach 300,000, and you will get commission every day. If you every day you accumulate that points, so you have commission every day. That's a lot of money. So right here, if you see, for example, this is like the global, global atomy. So you have a downline on different country. So it's just showing here um, the max that on the PB is 50 million. 50 million left and right. So we have infinite label, unlimited accumulation, global one marketing, and completion sharing of commission. So, any questions? Yeah. So, yeah, on global one marketing, it's showing right here that we're not only, making our business in one country. We are expanding our business to worldwide. So, it's a big market, in this company. So if you see this in LA, you cannot find, find in other country, Canada. You go to other country that you have a lot of relatives. Teach them how to use Atomy. Okay, so what is PB? PB is the criteria for determining or condition of commission distribution for member by assigning points to the product purchase. So each product in Atomy has designated point value. So that's the point value they use to calculate your commission. So, and then if you see the price, sometimes it's changed. It depends on the market. Okay, so we have here the Himohim, the Absolute, and this one. Only how many PB? 53,000. So
Ginseng.
yeah. So this is the top product. Okay. So we have four type of commission. We have general commission, mastership bonus, we have mastership promotion, and center commission. I think every one of us is aware what is this. Any question? Okay. So the general commission This is based on what we accumulate points from left and right. So that's that's the general commission. So once you promoted, let's say you're running for let's say first master or whatever mastership. So once that you gain that mastership, you can get a bonus aside from general commission. Yeah. Okay. So center commission, if you have already your center head, you could have also commission from there. All right. So here on atomic commission distribution structure, so the commission paid within 35% of total company sale. So that's the basis of the pay membership level. On general commission, mastership commission, and education commission. So if you see the total commission that paid to the member is calculated as 70% of the fee earned. So it will automatic adjust on 35% of total sale. Okay, general commission. So we have 44% of total company sales fee. So here, if anyone understand this chart, so you know, you're confused how these charts work. Yeah, you see here, there's a grade, leadership, the points, the score. So that's all the basis of the calculation of your general commission. So remember once you the score, this one is the calculate on how much the PB that you accumulate from left and right. So that's what they write, exchange how much money that you're gonna, get from a commission. Yeah. So the maximum here is the 50 million PB. So just imagine if you are, receiving 50 million from your group. So you're just gonna, it's big money. Yeah, if you calculate the 50 million left and right. So, but before you can go on this PB, of course, you're gonna construct your good foundation. It will start off being agent, sales master. You're gonna have a lot of leaders that they can do by themselves. Hard work. Yeah. So because if you don't make your foundation from the very start, you're going up and up, and you're not maintaining your down. You will not it's called the passive income. So, because if you reach the PB, because what I mean, because we just only allowed I mean, if you already have a maximum PB that in 1 year, not to expire your membership. Because if you have a lot of downline already, so what you do is you just to balance your left and right, and then it will automatic calculate. So this is the the membership level. So if you have already your personal PB 300, you're gonna be agent. So if you have personal 700,000 PB, you're gonna be special agent. So if you have 1.5, you're gonna be a dealer. So if you have 2.4, you're gonna be exclusive distributor. So
Is that the personal PB?
yeah.
Personal PB.
Yeah, that will categorize your status of your level. So that's will derive on when you calculate the commission. So here on general commission, we have 44% of the total sale PB paid every Tuesday, and then it's closing of previous week sale. So the total PB and score earned in previous week. So weekly payments. So from Wednesday through Tuesday. So sino one earning every couple of weeks. So does anyone understand how the commissions work? So earning general commission. So just like I discussed a while ago. You say you have 300 TV, 300,000. So your level of your membership is agent. Okay, so on left and right, say if you have 300K, 300K, so see the calculation here, you have 15 points, and the N is we call this the PV that you have. It will calculate and then you multiply on we call this the three, it equal to $45 and general commission for 300K. 300K PV for left and right. It will go up depend on your PV that you balance left and right. So it will go up until so easy money. Huh? You just use the product and then share to your friend, to your family while enjoying receiving commission,
Passive income.
passive income. So here, it's for example, you just work once a month. You just earn once a month. So you're just earning $45. $45 every month. So if you deposit $45 every month in 30 years, so how much that money? So I think this one is if you're just only consumer, you're just using toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo. So you're not really, doing the business. It's just personal use. But they know how to balance the both left and right.
But you can earn income from your downlines.
Yeah. But if you focus on business, how to earn more, not only 1 month, $45, you're gonna earn $45 every day. So you calculate $45 times 1 month, times 12, times 30 years. That's a lot of money. So you see,
And you don't sell.
yeah,
Need to sell it.
yeah, easy. So right here on general commission payment, so you see the 300K, 700K, 1.5. So you see this price. Every time that your PB on your group from left and right is increasing based on the how the required number, it's increasing the number of dollar. So if you do this, you can earn 27,000K every month. Anyone want to earn 27,000 a month? You like that?
Oh, yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
2,027? So,
It's a possibility.
so some, person that I approach and they're not really business minded, how they know is just use the product, enjoy the product. They're not really business minded. They don't see the picture here. How much the money that they can, earn just using product, invite family, friends. Actually, the design of the Atomy is not usually selling product. It's just use the product, share to your friend, share to your family. So if you have a lot of consumer and everybody's using, and you have a lot of partner that become member, easy. You can get all the PVs. It will accumulate and become money. So, okay, you wanna earn 27,000? It's a good money. Yeah, I'm going to travel. Yeah. So, on mastership commission, they give 20% of the total sale PV. So you see here, if you become sales master, it only required 2.5 million, and you will earn 1,800. That's 10% share from the company. So and on Diamond Master, you just need to sales master, and you will earn 3,600, and that's a 5% share from the company. Yeah. So you've served here from Diamond to Imperial Master is the total of 10%. And you just 10% of sales master, it's just 10 and 10. So, but on the from diamond to imperial, it's only 10%. They're cheering each other. But although they just get a small percent, they have the higher, group PV. That's why if you calculate, that's much more money. Yeah. So, say, if you earn 18,000, 27,000, that's a lot. So you just need, if you become Sharon Rose, you need 2 Diamond Master, Star Master, you need 2 Sharon Rose Master. Royal Master, you need 2 Star Master. Oh, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and Crown Master, you did need 2 Royal Master. And the last is Imperial Master. Yeah, it's easy, yeah. Yeah, if you have a lot of good leaders from your downline, Imperial is very easy to achieve. Yeah, you just need to train like what they said, train the leaders. You know, so if you duplicate yourself, it will easy to achieve your goal. So this is the same thing with you know. So auto sales master, anyone understand this or no? Okay, on auto sales master, you're gonna challenge twice on first 15 of the month and second 15 of the month. All you just need is to have your left and right 2.5 million PB, and you will generate 900. That's the combination of general commission and mastership bonus. So that's the same thing. You do it on the last 15 days, and you will receive 1,800 per month if you do auto sales master. So
It's easy.
yeah. So take note. This is only commission. How about the product? If you're selling the product, let's say on its product, you have profit 5% from its product, depending on how you sell.
If you
That's
want.
of that. That's of that. Okay. So same sales promotion. So is anyone under the same sales promotion? In same sales promotion, you just need to achieve 1.5 million PG under its leg. So compared to a sales master. So this is less, PV to accumulate. You're gonna be same sales master. So you can do it twice. Same with the auto sales master. This is you do twice. First 15 days and second 15 days. So, all right. So this is the illustration for the same sales promotion. You just need to have 1.5, but your personal PV should be 700. Okay. So here, you see this, it's 1.1, and the other one 1.5. So how they explain here is they use some points from your personal PV in order to, if you have only 1.1, you have 1.5, and you already have extra PV in your personal, you get some points from that. And they're gonna be your sales master. Yeah. And of course, you will receive this commission. Okay. So this is the same. Okay. So this is the mastership promotion. So for the sales master, we will just receive one set of pain, one set of hemohim, and then one set of evening care for set. So for a diamond master, you will receive $900, one set of pain, one set of hemohim, one set of evening care. So if you see on the sales master, you see there's no the only if you want to sell the product, you can earn money. Okay. So Sharon Rose Master, you will earn 1,800, 2 butcher of promotion treat with family for 3 nights and 4 days. So, and then Stallmaster is you will earn 9,000 for voucher for promotion trip with family for 3 nights and 4 days. So, Royal Master, you will earn promotion bonus 45,000. And you will have for voucher or promotion trip with family for 10 nights and 11 days. Ah. And sponsor activity fee, midnight vehicle rental fee. So, it's a lot, a lot of, yeah. And then, Grandmaster, you will receive 270,000. You will receive also 4 voucher for promotion trip with family, 10 nights and 11 days. And with the sponsorship activity fee, full size of vehicle. So that's good, huh? 270,000. You want 270,000? Okay. And the last is Imperial Master. So this is the old dream for all everyone, right? 900,000. So you will also receive 4 voucher promotion trip with family, 10 nights, 11 days, and you will receive 10 million Korean won per month for sponsorship activity fee. So, and then pulses vehicle, and then they will provide you office rental fee, and with personal assistant.
And
And you have personal driver. So everything is provided by the Atomy.
Really? Really?
Okay. So sales master. So this is the illustration of the I discussed a while ago. So this is the product and the points. And diamond master, just need to left and right. To sales master, that's the product. Sharon Rose, and then Star Master. So Royal Master. So this is illustration the one I discussed. Okay. So Grand Master, you just need also 2 Royal Master, left and right. Okay, so this is the dream for everybody. The big dream. Okay. Anyone want to be Imperial?
Take Imperial.
You want to be more
Yeah. Yeah.
retirement?
Yes.
You have a handsome driver with all size of vehicles, office rental. Wow. That. Okay, so all right. And it's it. Yeah, let's discuss this one. Okay. So all right. So this is the site from the Atomy. We can access the Atomy channel. We have a YouTube channel, the Global Atomy. We have a Facebook official. All right. That's it. Thank you. Any question?
Yes, that's our sales master, the foggy. Miguel Don Baldosa. Let's get it. Another round of consumer, only consumer. Partner. We want to earn. We want to make a living.
Yeah.
That is what Don is leading us to. Okay. So let's hear some good news for now. Let's have the testimony of our Atomy products by our Sharon Rose Master. Yes, they Sharon Ganda. Wow. Miss Fernan.
Kind words, Miss Ethel, the beautiful MC, sexy. I'm so happy to be here and thank you for having me here and I'm happy to see everyone. We heard a lot of good news from our ever hardworking Don. Without him, we won't be able to do all this. I'd like to first acknowledge those joining us from the Philippines. They are on Zoom. The 2 daughters of Mayet. I don't know who's still Santillan, who's Farrell.
Kanya rin daw.
Also, Kristen Salusia.
Sa'yo din.
And we have one downline from uh from Alhambra. Wow, Lanchi Kayaba. Wow. She's been joined us since this morning. So this is what we're trying to do. For those who are not able to join us, they can join us remotely. They are from the Philippines or anybody use of the global. That is what we're trying to do now. We want to help them, educate them. Why? Because we get TV from them, right?
Right.
See? So promote. I heard and I wanna react and give more input in what Don was saying before I do my part, just in case this might help you. Okay. Thank you so much, Don, for the education and Dr. Fe. She's actually Dr. Education. For the MLM, Atomy has revolutionized, meaning they changed. Before MLM was not like this. They have prepared everything. It's technologically prepared. So all we need to do are two things. Yeah. Use the product, promote it. And the PVs will come. If we don't use the product, how can we promote it? How can we say that, oh, it's good? But tell you what, out of the 400 products that Atomy has, mostly routine use every day. Coffee, toothbrush, toothpaste. We use those and we are earning money. Passive income. So that is the attitude that we should adopt. Thank you, Don, for bringing those up. And all those things that we think they are just a dream, they are potential, achievable, reliable, and true. We can look up the testimony of people they have given their experiences, how they do it. They're all on the hub of the Atomy channel. So you are in the right track. We are in the right track. Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Grace. Thank you, everybody, for making it happen for us. We are, so blessed to be with this school.
Yes. Right.
So we just watched a promo for higher PV. They have those on the promo shopping mall. When you open the shopping mall every day, look, if your left leg or your right leg needs only few PV, order your item, then you get the commission for that day, right? So these are the information that we are taking after the explanation of Zonzon. That really happens. So luckily, we got our toothpaste already free. There are 400 products I mentioned: laundry, soap, food supplements, toothpaste. And if you have a lot of downlines and most of them will be using, then the money comes to us without even selling the items, right? And the things that we really need to do is change our attitude. Attend educational seminars like this. Even if you join us by Zoom, that's still okay, as long as you have the willingness to participate and to learn. What else? Promote. Try the product and promote. So thank you so much for those insights. Now, I've talked a lot. Again, I'd like to, we acknowledge already Myla and Suryo from the Philippines, Ranchi Kayaba, she's in Alhambra, and Christine Saskia. Thank you for joining us on the Zoom. I'm going to talk about my testimony. I'm using the Absolute Skincare. Why? It is self-care. I have to give myself a little treat. I've been working so hard in my so many years that I have been, providing for my family, for friends, I should also provide for myself. I feel so good when people tell me, what did you do with your skin? How old are you? As if it's true, but I feel it. They are sincere. Oh, you're already 74? I thought you're only 47. So why I am using Absolute Skincare? Because I get the those comments, but in reality, it reduces the fine line and wrinkle. I used to be, I didn't pay attention to my self, and I would just, wash my face, go to sleep, put a little, those expensive that are, we think high end that are good. But when I met Atomy, I don't anymore wanna pay attention to those expensive brands. Only Atomy. Why? I can get it direct from the source, so it's cheap. I earn my PV, my commission, and I get good compliments. So Atomy, yes, I won't exchange it for anything else.
Yes.
Good.
It reverses skin, it reverses aging. By how many years? 10. Okay. 14. Okay. It will make you look glowing. Of course, youthful appearance. And because they're made with natural ingredients, so chemicals. They're free from harmful ingredients like the one that we are accustomed to. And mind you, when we went to Korea to visit the factory, the plant, we saw the European brands there. They are made in Korea. Trust. We just couldn't take pictures, but they are there. Can you admit that? Don't please. Okay. So I think that's all that I can share. I think that I'm sorry. I put this on very low. Celine, I'm just speaking in the center. I'll call you back. It's okay, thank you. I met her on the channel. She's a nurse, and I saw her sitting business. I think I can get her here.
Wow.
Just before I came here, I was talking to two people, and they are interested.
Wow.
Yes, and I gave one I gave one to Mayet. They had to pick who goes there and who goes here. So yeah, that's what I do. When I talk to people, yeah. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and for listening. Roots and below. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's the thank you, Misha. Sperma. Yeah, thank you. Baklas. Okay. So, depending. Perfect. And who can give another testimony, Manay? Do you still have one? Okay. So that's it. Okay. So thank you, Miss Perla, again for sharing your experience with the Optimi Absolute. Oh, Manay, can I order two of those? Yes. Yeah. I mean it. So here's what outlines the company's long-term goals and aspiration or the ultimate vision. Yes, now to be explained by our star master and ultimate leader, Miss Grace Head. Miss Yang Pak. Right. It's I'm done. Ah, okay, yeah. Sure. Okay. Miss Grace. Okay, I'm it up. So, Miss Lindsay, you're a late comer. What time is it now? Evening time. Yeah. Yeah. Late, I know that time. We have time. Okay. So it's in you now. Okay, everybody. You are. Yeah, maybe. Fine. Fine. Yeah. Fine. Fine. Okay. Good. Good. Yeah, very good.
What you can do is, after, don't put this in the trash. Cut it in half, tapos ibabad sa tubig, put it in water.